What's going on, everybody? We're back out on the road heading to Kenansville. Gonna go meet up with Chris at his grandpa's place and pull out a boat. It's early Sunday morning. It's about 8 o'clock right now. I'm running a little bit late. I'm supposed to get there at 8 o'clock, but I'm actually on the way. I'll be there in a couple minutes, but wanted to get you guys updated on what's going on today. We got to go pull out a boat that was buried in the barn of his grandpa's place. I saw it last time I was there. I took a quick peek at it, but I didn't really know exactly what the shape of it was, or what shape it was in, and also the shape of the trailer. It was a nice fishing boat, though. That's all I knew. I just took a quick glimpse at it before we left. And hopefully when we get there, it'll be cleaned out. It kind of had a lot of things around it. I don't know if Chris cleaned it out or not. If we got to clean it out, then we got to clean it out. It's all good. But I think it'll be an easier haul than the truck was, because the truck was on a trailer that wasn't really rated for that truck. And it probably wasn't safe in the environments that we pulled it out with. I think the weather's playing on our side today because it's not raining. It's actually beautiful out. We're driving the back roads of Kenansville. I'll get you guys some videos and show you guys these back roads. It kind of reminds me of when I drove in Ohio back last October for an event I went to. I really enjoy these drives because you don't get these kind of scenery every day where I go. Everywhere I am at, it's usually city with congested traffic and stoplights and just people that are thinking that I'm in their way or something of that nature. But we're gonna go out there and see what we're up against, and we'll keep you guys in the loop and bring you guys along for the ride. Got about an hour from Kenansville up to Sorrento, where Chris is at, and taking the same highway and everything, but I think it'll be an easier drive with the trailer, with a boat, than a truck. I think everyone could agree on that. And we'll take you guys along for the ride, and I'll check back in with you guys when I get there. Yeah, I should have fiberglassed. You need one of those remote control front things. That sounds a remote. You can control the whole trailer with a little motor that holds the hitch.
Yeah, I know it. So now we gotta find.
What are you looking for now?
The thing.
What are you looking for? This thing is in good shape. He took care of it.
Yeah, I'm gonna buff it and bring all the shine back.
Man, you know what I think we should do?
What?
We should match the paint for your truck and this. Do double.
That would be pretty.
That'd be
badass.
cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could just buff and put a clear coat on this.
Now we just gotta get all the rods and shit inside.
Oh, is that like a holder for the motor?
Yeah.
But how does it stay on? You clamp it on? Oh, look at that shit. Damn.
And that way it don't move.
Oh, okay.
It's like the same thing as our dirt bikes. Remember we used to have that thing in between the tire?
For the forks, so you don't break your forks off? Yeah. Damn, that's some new age stuff they had back in the day. Holy shit. They thought ahead of time. Look at that.
That's it, Papa!
Yeah.
Now I need a fucking vacuum.
You got the lock for that spare? How do you get back there?
I'll show you.
Oh, you gotta close this?
Yeah, one side of...
Secret Narnia thing you got going on here. It's gonna look real nice when you pull your truck with it. Your grandpa's truck with the boat.
Yeah, I know. It's like bringing it a little back.
Oh yeah. Bring it back to full circle. Alright, y'all. We're back on the road. We got everything loaded up, and I'm actually quite surprised on how good of shape the boat is and how well his grandpa kept it. He did really good keeping it inside a shelter and upkeeping with the maintenance, with the paint, bodywork, and the motor itself. I don't know exactly what condition the motor's in yet. We got to go back and check on it, and Chris is gonna have to see if it's running well or not. I know that it'll need maybe a clear coat on it with the paint because the paint's kind of faded a little bit, but all in all, we loaded it fine. It's way lighter than a truck, so I'm cruising at about a 60, 65 miles an hour, way faster than what the truck was. Driving that like a low 40, I think I was driving that at. And I'm really thankful that today it's sunny out. There's no rain, there's no wet roads, there's nobody on the road. It's actually still, it's only 9:30. It's a Sunday morning. Not a lot of people on the road, so this is actually a one-lane road going Canoe Creek up to the turnpike, and it's much harder to pass people when you're on one-lane road. And I know I'm not going the fastest right now. I was going way faster getting here without a trailer, but so far so good. The trailer's holding up fine. The boat's holding up okay. It's hauling pretty well, and we're just cruise sailing for now. I got 81 miles to go to get back to Sorrento, so it'll be about an hour, almost hour and a half drive from Kenansville. But it's a very nice day out. It's nice views. It's all country land here. There's nobody in your way, and very peaceful out here. It's very quiet. I don't know if I'd want to leave her all the time, but it's very secluded and it's very nice to be at once in a while, just to enjoy the peace of nature and not having a lot of people that are making noises and cars going back and forth on the road here. And it's very secluded and quiet, which I enjoy it. So, but we're just gonna sit back, relax, just enjoy the ride until we get there, and keep an eye out on the trailer and the boat, make sure everything's okay back there. And I'll check back in with you guys when we get there. See you guys later. Wasn't bad. You could hit 90 if you want to, but I just was playing it safe.
Yeah, it looked like it was going pretty smooth.
And then some cars were just on my way. I had to pass them. It didn't get bad, so you hit 429 with all the construction, all those bumps.
Yeah.
I could feel it hopping a little bit.
Yeah, that's probably the tires too, though.
It pulled okay. I mean, going through the country wasn't bad. I was just being skeptical before we hit the turnpike.
Yeah, to see
I
where
wanted to make sure, see what the limit was, but no complaints. I got something for you, actually. Watch out, Blue. Consider this a housewarming gift. Remember this game we played?
Oh yeah.
I found this at the store a while back.
That's dope.
Because remember we used to play it on Fish on Fire?
What are we gonna hang it?
I don't know, but I figured you'd want to use it. You'd use it.
Oh, this is dope.
Yeah, hang it up. Make sure Blue doesn't chew on that damn string.
It's almost like I would want to put it over here.
Yeah, where everybody hangs out.
Yeah.
Yeah. I found. I was like, shit, Chris will like this.
Hell yeah.
Got the Sears set up now.
Part of that at all? Free.
Well, this one was
Both of them.
Well, inheritance is free too.
Huh?
Yeah, good inheritance right here.
For the free skis.
Yeah, it would look pretty cool if you painted the same color as the boat with the truck. That'd be a future project down the road.
Comes complete with a rape whistle.
A rape whistle? What other cool toys does it come with? Like a compass there, you got your...
I don't know, I gotta figure it out.
We're gonna put a nice sound system in this thing.
I know, we do.
The subwoofer and whatnot. Put up a flat steering wheel right here.
Got the NOS button.
Gotta get the flat steering wheel. Gotta fix all this, clean out all this rat poop too. It's all poop on the side, watch out. Right there, yeah. Yeah, I'm anxious to see how that motor's gonna run when we turn it on. Is that fuel injected or carbureted? It's probably carbureted.
Yeah, it's carbureted.
Damn, we got to fuel inject that and the truck. Bring it to modern times, you know what I mean? Sure, this works well too.
That'll be a perfect spot right there.
That's what I was saying, put it there.
Yeah, that's where I'm gonna put it.
I think the spot, yeah, I mean, you got a lot of shade. Whenever the sun goes this way sun, when sun goes down, yeah, it'll be a lot of shade. Be okay. You got more room now. I don't see the S10 here no more. They go. Well, you leave one project, another one.
Fucking projects.
Another one shows up.
I don't got enough money.
This is a better project than the S10.
Yeah.
Because you
And plus, people can like join me too.
Yeah, I always felt that way about dirt bikes because it's fun, but then you can't bring nobody with you.
Yeah.
Would you get a side by side?
Yeah, I was gonna say.
That's all you.
Did you see those ones on the way here?
Got a side by side? Oh yeah.
The two?
Yeah, they're going to Holopaw.
Oh,
Yeah, I wish we had that.
this costs so much money.
Well, not that. You got to store it too.
Well, I got plenty of room for that.
And you got to get a trailer, insurance. But it is fun to have. Go out and do like 80 miles an hour on the damn thing.
That's it. Good times. Good times.
Yeah.
On that switch in the inside of the shop. Boat's been sitting for 10 years.
10 years? Holy shit. It's in good condition for 10 years.
I think a little bit longer. I think like 14.
But the placement registers at 19, I think, right? 2019? Yeah, that's the last time it was registered.
I mean, renewed it.
Yeah.
My grandpa's boat.
Yeah.
Grandpa's boat, grandpa's truck.
You knew they kept things in proper condition. You want some mints? I don't know the expiration date. Oh, down in there. All right, y'all, we're back at Chris's house. See, Chris is back there vacuuming, making all that noise. Boy, we got here in one piece. Everything was okay with the trailer and the boat and everything like that. We're just looking over the parts. Also looking to look at this motor and see what needs to get done to it to get it fixed and get it running. But all in all, the weather's good. It's really hot today, but I don't mind it. It's better than cold weather and freezing in the cold or out in the rain. Last time we transported this truck, it was pouring rain. It was just miserable out, but today's been good and good weather. So yeah, we're gonna go back and look over the boat, look over the motor, and I'll give you guys a little in-depth look of it and what's going on here at Chris's shop. Get up in here. I told you the key's not there. I don't know. I couldn't get it. Oh no. Yeah, look at this old school. Old school cassette player. Definitely gotta upgrade that.
Smells like piss.
It don't smell like piss.
Smells like piss.
It don't smell like this.
Like rat piss. Where? Oh, there's the lock key.
We don't need the lock anymore. We don't cut it in half. Top view here.
What did you do with the keys? You threw them under here, right?
There's a key in here too. There's keys in here too. There's a set of keys in there.
Oh, motherfucker! I thought this was.
Huh? Maybe those keys work. Oh, man. Did you find them in the ignition when you got there?
Yeah.
Okay, so then gotta be that set. It should be.
Did you put it in here?
No, I put it in the center console. The one in the center console. Still looking for it? Yeah, I had an issue too. It could be upside down, the key going the up opposite direction, opposite way.
That's crazy.
One of those keys works for it. I don't know which one. Oh, maybe it's that one. Yeah. Oh, it's not in there. You got it?
Yep.
Okay. Well, you better mark it so you know which one it is.
That is crazy.
All those lights. You can always rewire it and put some
Yeah.
newer lights on it. Newer dash. The flat steering wheel. Oh.
This is mine. Just throw all this shit away. It's all fucking...
I gotta ask, why is the hood back on the truck?
Because I
Did you and Alan discuss that yesterday?
No.
He's gonna rebond.
Because I don't want to spend $800 on the hood right now.
Oh shit, it's $800?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, you could always put some new metal on it and refab it. Let it ride for now. For show. Where? Oh damn. Oh, you forgot the fish is in there or something?
Yeah, it's probably been in there for years.
Oh yeah, that's crazy. A live fish is in there with a whole skeleton.
It fell apart. Oh my lord. Looks like oatmeal. Close the golf.
Oh, you clogged it. We're gonna put it back here? My man's still here vacuuming. 2 hours later. Definitely looks cleaner now. No more rat poop.
Never did find the rat.
We didn't find the rat, no. Maybe he fell out when we were driving here.
You're good.
Jumped out of there.
Good scenario.
Yeah, gonna do some cleaning for that.
Huh?
A little dirty.
I didn't even start with
Was there more poop down there, you think? Yeah? Shit. Yeah, so we get some to eat. What?
If you look at it.
What is that?
So that's the body, that's the head of the mouse, right? That's where like the eyeballs would go.
Yeah.
And then you can see the teeth.
That's crazy.
Look at the teeth in the front. It's right there. See the little.
Yeah. Dude, you should like put that in a case or something.
Isn't that crazy? There's like two
Well-
more. There's like two more in here.
Whoa, you serious?
Yeah, dude. They got in here and got fucking smoked. I don't think they could find their way out or something.
Oh, it's like a trap. That's crazy. Ingenuity right there. It's getting the job done.
Well, actually, just kidding. To get in here, you just gotta run along the sides of this and get.
To get to the front.
Yeah, so you just gotta get in the boat. You don't even have to have the back of the boat.
At least you got that done.
Now I gotta get this last one right here.
Under the seats, yeah.
Then we'll be done. Oh.
Got a lot of work to do. I got you. Set player works anymore.
You know, you got some tapes.
We have to go on eBay and find some.
You got tapes, bro?
We're gonna put a Bluetooth in that thing.
God, what a difference, huh?
Oh yeah.
What a fucking difference.
Probably weighs less now with all that trash gone.
You got your camera on?
Yeah, we're gonna empty that out. I'm sure it's gonna be very, very heavy after the light once it's done.
Just feel it. Damn,
Okay.
that's a lot of shit.
Yeah, the filter's gonna be good too.
Woo!
Need a mask?
Yeah.
Crazy guy. Jeez, all from the boat?
That's crazy. I don't know if I should put it in a bag.
Oh, it's a garbage guy. We're gonna dump it. Better.
That was like 2 hours of back.
Yeah. Well, it's clean inside now, so.
We should have took some before and after pics.
I got plenty of footage of it before when I first looked at it. The carpet definitely needs a deep clean, or scrub the seats too. Just needs a little bit of
Little love.
a little bit of labor of love to fix it up.
Is it TLC?
Yeah. After that, let's get the motor fine-tuned. You'll be fine. What was that?
Rat poop.
Ew, big ass rat poop.
What the fuck?
Got a big tackle box. Gun?
No, this is a small.
B gun?
No, it's a fucking old school.
Oh shit, real.
This is really old.
Some of those you just frame them, put it on top of your garage over there. Alright y'all, we just left Chris's house. We got him all settled with his boat. We finished vacuuming after about 2 hours worth of going through every compartment and every part of the boat you could get to, cleaning up all the dirt and rat. I think it was like a lot of rat poop, a lot of other things and particles that we had to clean up, and we got him all settled. We pushed the boat under the pavilion, that way he could work on it, whether it's raining or whatnot. He's got shade, and next thing we'll probably get the motor all set up. I won't be there to see the motor run. He'll probably do that on his own, but I'm glad that we got everything all settled and we've got that done. I'm just now heading back to Orlando to pick up my meal preps for the week, because for work I don't cook for work. I usually have my meal preps done. I just go pick them up for the week and have them all organized or ready for work. That way I'm not hustling trying to figure out what to eat during the day. And once I pick those up, I'm going back home, St. Cloud. But it's been a long day. It's almost 3 o'clock. The rain's actually coming down right now. That's just how it is in Florida. It's really sunny in the morning. It's really nice, and then by 3 o'clock it rains for about 5 minutes. It could be 5 minutes. It could be 5 hours. It varies from different times or different days usually. But yeah, it varies from different days at different predicaments of rain. But it's all good. We're gonna go back now to Orlando. Also, by the way, our podcast is on Spotify and on Apple. It's been a long time coming, but I finally got everything put together with the audio and the video, having the video on YouTube, but the audio on Spotify and on iTunes itself. Whether you're at work or you're on the go or working out, you can listen to us. Try to keep things interesting and everything positive. Somewhat of kind of banter back and forth with Chris and Carlos. But it's been a long time coming. I'm very proud to have everything all put together and have everything distributed to different social media platforms. And we look forward to doing more podcasts for the future. And so I'm going to head out of here, grab my meal preps, do a few errands, and then head back home and get ready for the work week. But I appreciate everybody who stayed for the whole video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. You'll see more videos later on. Hey, I look forward to doing more videos and seeing what projects are next up. I'm head out of here, get back home, but I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.